Hello and welcome back to the Admin for You training channel. Today we're diving into the world of efficient childcare waitlist management, and we have something special for those of you who are using standard versions of Excel. While we've designed a robust childcare waitlist tracker for Microsoft 365 users, we understand that not everyone has that subscription. So we've tailored this version of the childcare waitlist tracker and tutorial just for you. Before we get started, if you're unsure about the version of Excel you're using, we've got a helpful link in the description below to guide you through the process of finding out. And for our Microsoft 365 users, we've got a separate training video link there as well for you. Let's take just a moment to get to know your Waitlist Tracker tab. At the top left, you'll notice at a glance count of waitlisted children by classroom. This auto-populates based on the information you enter below. On the top right is where you'll customize your priority types and also your classroom names. We've provided easy drop-down selection lists for assigning status, classroom assignment, and priority. There's at-a-glance tracking of days requested for childcare services. And we've also included some auto-calculated fields for total days requested for childcare, the child's age, and the waitlist application age. Let's jump right into personalizing your tracker. The classroom and priority values are fully customizable to match your center's needs. Begin by personalizing with your Child Care Center name, your classroom names, and the priority values. Now that you've personalized the Master Waitlist tab, let's move on to entering and maintaining waitlist records. To enter a new record for each waitlisted child, assign a status, either active or inactive, a classroom assignment, and a priority. You can use the handy drop-down list of values for these details. Next, enter contact details for parents or guardians, and then for each requested day of attendance, place an X in the corresponding box. You'll notice as you begin entering records that the count boxes at the top of the Master Waitlist Tracker will automatically update based on your record entries. Requested days for childcare are highlighted, and the cells for total days requested to attend, child age, and the number of days the child has been waitlisted will also automatically update. When you're ready to maintain a waitlist record, make changes as needed using the same process. One important thing to note is that if you change the names of either priority types or classroom names, you will want to make sure to update any existing records that have been assigned with that previous value with the updated classroom name or priority type. You can use filter buttons on the master waitlist to narrow results for viewing or to create printable reports by classroom. For instance, to hide inactive records, in the assignment status column, click on the filter button and the filter selection box will open. Uncheck inactive, select OK, and you will see results only for active waitlisted students. To filter by individual classroom, under the classroom column, select the filter button. Then check only the classroom you want to see and uncheck all others. Select OK, and the results will show you only the classroom that you have checked. To remove filters, click on that filter button again and select all at the top of the list of choices, and that will return the list to show all records. When you're ready to print, only records that are displayed based on the use of the filtered buttons will print. Also, the page is pre-formatted to print on 8.5 by 11 paper. That concludes our training for today. As always, thank you for joining us, and we'll see you next time.